Welcome everybody, come right in.
No, you didn't.
So me and mom are getting skinny together and we're gonna start cooking. We're making us some healthy snacks, some quick breakfasts. Yes, the plural of breakfast.
Breakfasts.
Breakfasts. Our first meal,
I'm cooking the bacon for the bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos.
we're making bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos.
You need to get eggs out. Is there a recipe?
I sent you everything. Anyways.
Yeah, well, not that we need a recipe anyway because you don't read them.
Yes, I do. Mom bought
Don't even try and explain it.
Mom bought a muffin mix, but yet to not use the instructions for the mix to make the muffins. So she wanted to only use the mix but with her own ingredients, which
And
makes
sent you
no
the recipe.
sense. No
Yes,
sense.
It makes it lower calorie, lower fat.
Already whole grain.
Imagine. Okay, bust eggs.
What do you mean bust eggs?
Here, what are you doing? The bowl's right here.
Jeez. First off, we need to lose our attitudes. I'm not good at cracking eggs. I always get shell in it.
Because you don't spend enough time in the kitchen.
Because we always eat out. Don't let this video fool y'all. My mom never cooks. We always order pizza. We just went and ate out.
Abigail,
For lunch.
man. You're a dirty dog.
Anyways, me and my mom decided to go on this diet together. And she did a big grocery haul pickup
Suck eggs.
last night. So now we're pre-making. How do you?
Meal prepping.
We're meal prepping.
So, yes, we're using fake plastic butter. The reason why is because it is half the fat and half the calories, and we're all gonna die anyway, Crystal and Ashley. So we're just gonna go ahead and eat this plastic butter and die thin.
All right, we're scrambling the eggs now. We're gonna scramble it with this spoon because my mother doesn't do dishes, so we have no forks left.
Oh, I bought 12 today. No, I bought 6.
Just kidding, we have like 4 forks. Comment down below if my mother's job is to do laundry, because I should not have to do my own laundry, because what else does she do as a mother? Besides laundry and dishes.
Season it.
And boss me around. Okay, the next step, Mama's gonna put shredded hash browns
I have absolutely no idea if this is the right process.
into the eggs.
Those look really big.
This looks like French fries.
All right, stir them up. And maybe once they get soft, you can chop them in half. I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. Once they get soft, if you do it now, they're gonna just bounce out.
Next, we're adding
2% shredded cheese.
2% shredded cheese into the frozen fries and eggs. Oh. Also, in between cooking, you're gonna want to touch your dog so you get all the.
You're disgusting. Put these gloves on.
This is my last word. No!
Imagine.
No. N-O. No. No means no. No,
Wait.
no, 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 no.
You need to get out. Okay, hold you right now. Okay, I set this out.
No, no,
Abigail.
no. 1,000 times no.
I set this cream cheese out earlier so it's easy to spread into the jalapeno.
No.
Okay? Okay, now you're just getting on my nerves. Wally.
First, you're gonna need low-fat cream cheese, turkey bacon, and jalapenos. I'm going to slice the jalapenos in half, cut off the stem.
Slice them right down the middle, vertical. Well, I need to work on the half. Okay.
Did these make your eyes water?
No, that would be onions. Just be very careful. Those are Cutco. Those are Cutco.
Cutco sponsor me. So right now I'm cutting the insides out of my half slices, like the seeds and the light green stuff. And I'm gonna do these to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
So how many poppers is that gonna make?
That's gonna make 12 poppers.
Very good.
Shoot! Oh. What?
You edit that out.
No.
Finished the jalapenos, so they're all like gutted out. We took our bacon out of the oven, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to crumble this, so like so. Just you want to crumble it, squishity squashity. A little chop action with your fingers. All right. So when it looks like this, you're gonna pour it into the egg, hash brown, and cheese mixture. You're gonna stir this. Looks so gross. Oh, shoot. Like imagine puke, but like chunky, and then that's how it's supposed to look, okay? We're gonna take this to our other station. So you have your mixture, and then you're gonna wanna get whole wheat tortillas. Just a regular spoon. And you're gonna only put it on one side, just like this. We're going to wrap in foil and place them in the freezer. So then whenever you want like a quick breakfast or you're in a hurry, then you can just grab it, heat it up. A little breakfast for a gal on the go, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera. See you in a second, bestie. So we mixed the Tony's with the low-fat cream cheese, and we're just gonna blend this all in with a knife like so, and I'm gonna take this mixture and put it in the sliced jalapenos. Not too much, but not too little, and I'm gonna do this for the rest of them. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful jalapenos. Okay, mom microwaved some bacon. You're gonna take the stuffed jalapenos, okay? And how many pieces of bacon? One? One piece of bacon, like this.
Lay the jalapeno right there. Like start here on this edge and go this way. So it's like that.
Nice.
And you may want to do a toothpick.
After you've wrapped all of your jalapenos up in bacon, you're gonna wanna cut little square pieces of aluminum foil to wrap them up in and make sure the sides are tightly secured. Put them all in a Ziploc baggie and put them in the freezer. I'm trying to do this voiceover, but I videoed too fast. Oops. Okay, the next recipe on our list: sausage, egg, and cheese on an English muffin. So I have Canadian bacon. So I just put these in a little skillet and waited till they were kind of browning. I don't really know. And then mom just cracked some eggs over and put them in this pan. And when they came out, we took a cup and made little circles out of them. And then, oh, this is me cutting the cheese and, no, literally. Okay, we're making the sandwiches by putting the Canadian bacon and cheese on there. Slice the English muffins in half, obviously, and just putting the eggs and stuff in there. Wrapping it up with saran wrap, the worst thing in the world. And, oh my gosh, get it together, girl. Putting them in little Ziploc bags to go in the freezer with the other things. So there you have it, folks. You have 3 easy, healthy snack/meals for on the go, and they're really good. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye, sweetie.